Okay, well that's them, isn't it? On 19, chatting away, not 19 for such and such. Knock it up 2 channels. No. Right, we'll see whether Mr. Mega Chippie's there on this. This performs so well. It's one of those, we don't normally see this kind of performance other than on Barrington 5 stars, but there's no reason why not. Though I've had a couple of York 861s. One we sold and one was for a customer of ours. But where the receive is kind of off the clock at 0.2 microvolts. So we get 0.21 on some of the better sets, but 0.2 on this one for 12 dB SINAD's incredible. You're just not going to get that on sets today. Tango 21 test.
Yes, stand by.
Roger.
Alright, ready when you are.
Roger Dodger. I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
Could be that one. Let's see if it is. Yeah. Roger, I've done it.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. On this radio we've got a tone control.
Roger that, so heading up the
Less
lane
bass.
towards the end of it. Passing the passing place and doggy daycare.
Sorry, less treble, more treble. Roger on that. Had a radio advertisement for doggy daycare today on Grantham's local FM radio station.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger on that.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill to go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going on Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, loud and clear. I'm on Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, loud and clear. I'm on
a Harvard 420M, so Cybernet 134, upper tier radio from 1981, doing a full forward output, and on a standard replacement line over.
Roger that, I'll receive, no problems.
Is Roger.
Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point, one is Harvard 420M from 1981 using the Cybernet 134 chassis, doing full force output and drawing 1.2 amps. We're going to go to low power and it's been set for 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 54321 and there we are on 400 milliwatts. The radio is now drawing 500 milliamps of current and doing 400 milliwatts output. Back to full power, and interestingly enough this radio came with a fault with low power not working, so I've had to change the presets. That proves that's been fixed. So I'll get there. Is that okay, over?
Yep, Roger, I'll receive, no problems on full power. A little bit noisy on low power, but I could tell what you were saying.
Roger, that's off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger.
crossing. Over. Yeah, 141.9, 149.7.
131.9 yesterday, we saw when we were Grimsby. Okay, thanks very much. That worked very well, as expected.
Roger that. 10-10.
10-10. And 2120 to Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, 141.9, 149.7.
It was 131 point something yesterday we saw when we were in Grimsby. Okay, thanks very much. That worked very well, as expected.
Roger that.
10-10. Oh, another brilliant set. Okay, we'll go to our base station and our Midland 76900 using exactly the same innards. Cybernet 134, just like that is. And we'll see what it sounds like on that standard replacement mic.
Tiger 21 testing the Harvard 420M into our Midland 76900 base station. This is a full power testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just going to check the radio on low power. There we are on low power testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we are back on full power. So tomorrow we'll have something else. Then we've got another Harvard 420M. There's very few sets I can do this side of Christmas. So thanks for watching the Harvard 420M from 1981.